Can you do a somersault? Can you? Show me. Show me a somersault. Oh, you're gonna dance with Barney?
No.
Can you dance with Barney? Oh, Barney did a somersault. Good job, Barney. Do it again. Good job, Barney. So good. Can you do one? Show Mommy your somersault. Show Mommy how you do it. Oh, good job, Barney. So good. Can you show Mommy Tatum's somersault?
Barney!
Yep, it's on his feet. Tatum. Can you show Mommy how Tatum does a somersault? Here, give Mommy Barney. Let me hold Barney.
No.
No? Can you do a somersault? Barney does them real good, huh? Tatum. Careful. Don't do it on Barney. Here, I'll move Barney. Okay, you do a somersault, okay? Do it. Ready?
Please. No need.
It's okay, you can do it. It's just paper. Go ahead. Can you do one? Holy smoke, Susie. Okay, do a somersault. Oh my goodness. Okay. Good job. Hey Tatum, look at Mommy. Can you say your name?
Tatum.
Tatum.
Tatum. Tatum.
That is Tatum right there on the blog, huh? Yep.
Daddy.
Daddy
Baby.
too.
Baby.
Baby Tatum? Tatum, can you say your name one more time?
More Tatum.
Tatum, can you say tortilla?
Tortilla.
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 Yeah, are they, do you love tortillas?
King. King.
Hmm?
King.
What is it?
King.
Mmm.